You're almost spent.
You know, it's funny. It's almost like he's equating that this is like, it's got our arms and legs and he's loaded. It's his own little like crash test dummy.
Oh, there, we got the face right where we want it.
He's biting him. Listen, bitch. Poor Dozer. He's never been laid in his life.
No, he's about to. He's about to get laid. If he howls, this will be priceless video.
Get him, Dozer. Get him. Get him, buddy. Get him. Get him, buddy. Get it. Get it. Get it, Dozer. Get it. All of a sudden.
I'm gonna label this sock monkey sex on YouTube.
Give it to me and I'll put it on Facebook. It'll go viral and you'll have 1 million likes by tomorrow.